Hey everyone, masking is one of the most powerful tools in video editing. It's what lets us create clean, professional-looking effects. With masking, we can reveal certain parts of a clip, blend layers together, and add depth and creativity to our edits. In this video, we go over how to mask in Capcut on PC. Even if we've never tried masking before, Capcut makes it simple and easy to follow. By the end of this guide, we'll know how to use masking to enhance our videos and create more advanced visual effects. Masking helps us control which parts of a clip are visible and which are hidden. This lets us isolate subjects, make smooth transitions, put text or effects behind objects, and blend clips together. Masking also works with keyframes, so the mask can move with the subject or change over time. This is helpful for tracking motion, revealing effects, or making dynamic edits. Clean masking takes patience, but even small tweaks can make a big difference. Now let's see how to mask in Capcut in the simplest way, so everyone can follow along. First, open Capcut and create a project. On the right side, create a new project. Once we're in the project, click Import. Let's use this video as an example. We drag it down once our media is in the Capcut layer. Now, let's import again. We'll use this photo as an example to be masked. Just drop this on the top part so it overlays the video. You can adjust it to match the length of the video. Once you're here, adjust the size as needed. Stretch it to fit. In the opacity section, set the size or position you want. Put it where you need it. To add a mask, just click this video. For the video underneath, click Mask. This is where we mask the picture or logo. Just position it. It's simple. Click Add Mask. And we can choose a circle or any shape we want. Adjust it to the size you prefer. For example, like this. When you're done, click your video and make any small adjustments needed. Then you can create a video. Go back to basic and adjust the mask as needed. That's it. When you play the video, the mask will be there. It's easy and simple to apply masking. Masking in Capcut PC is an essential editing skill that helps us make more creative and professional-looking videos. As we keep practicing, try out different mask shapes, feathering, and keyframes to see what works best for your style. The more comfortable we get with masking, the more creative freedom we'll have in our edits.